How to turn off sync contacts on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off sync contacts on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now click this settings icon in top corner, and then just go down, and here you will find people. Click on it, and after you click on it you will see this one here, sync contacts. Click on it and click turn off, and as you see, sync contact has been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and then see you in the next video.